In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Google Drive using Zapier, which is a fantastic way to automate some of your daily tasks. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is access the Zapier website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. It's straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean homepage that makes it easy to get started. Look for the big, bright button labeled Create. Click on it, and then you'll have the option to select Zaps. This is where you build your automated workflow. Think of it as the heart of your automation setup. Next, it's time to select the apps you want to connect. In the search bar, type in Gmail, and then do the same for Google Drive. This allows Zapier to know that you want to create a connection between your email and your file storage. Now, let's get into the meat of the process. You'll notice an option to add all steps to Zap. Clicking this will create a blueprint for how the data will flow between Gmail and Google Drive. This is where all the magic happens. To set up the Gmail trigger, start by selecting your trigger event. A common choice here is receiving a new email. This is what will prompt your automation to start working. Once you've selected this event, Zapier will ask you to log into your Gmail account to grant it the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is safe, and it allows Zapier to access your email to set up the trigger. Next, you'll want to fine-tune this trigger. Think about what specific folders or types of emails you want Zapier to monitor. For example, if you only want emails from a specific sender or within a certain folder, you can specify that right here. This makes sure that your automation is tailored to your needs. Now that we have the Gmail trigger set up, let's configure the Google Drive action. You'll select an action event, and let's say you choose creating a new file, or perhaps saving an attachment. This action will occur in response to the trigger from Gmail. Once again, you'll need to log in to your Google Drive account. Zapier will need permission here as well, so it can manage your files as needed. After that, you'll set specific settings, such as which folder you want the files saved in, or how they should be named. This level of detail ensures that everything stays organized and easy to find later. Now comes an important step, testing the Zap. Click the button to run a test to simulate the trigger. This step is crucial because it helps you ensure that the action occurs correctly in Google Drive without any errors. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs during the test, it's time to publish your Zap. Click on the Publish button to activate the automation, and voila! Your new workflow will now run in the background, silently automating the connection between your Gmail and Google Drive. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Gmail to Google Drive using Zapier. Remember, if you need to modify any settings later on, you can always go back and adjust the Zap whenever you want. If you'd like to learn more about automation tips or any other tech tutorials, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!